Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore an exciting and practical electronics project. Bluetooth Module Amplifier. A perfect combination of wireless technology and audio amplification. This is wireless audio amplification. Presented by Varsha Verma. Introduction. So first, let's understand what a Bluetooth amplifier is. A Bluetooth amplifier is a wireless audio system that allows us to play music without using any wired connection. It receives audio signals directly from devices like mobile phones or laptops using Bluetooth technology. Then, this weak signal is amplified using an amplifier circuit. Finally, the amplified signal is sent to speakers, producing clear and loud sound. What is Bluetooth module? Now, what exactly is a Bluetooth module? A Bluetooth module is a wireless communication device that helps in receiving audio signals. It connects with your mobile or laptop and transfers audio data wirelessly. Some commonly used modules are HC05 and MH-M18. These modules operate on a 2.4 GHz frequency band, which is standard for Bluetooth communication. Components required. To build this system, we need the following components: a Bluetooth audio module, an amplifier board, preferably Class D, speakers of 4 ohm or 8 ohm, a power supply ranging from 5V to 12V, connecting wires, and optionally, a battery for portability. These components are easily available and affordable. Block diagram. Let's understand the flow using a block diagram. The audio source, like a mobile phone, sends signals via Bluetooth. These signals are received by the Bluetooth module. Then, the amplifier circuit increases the signal power. Finally, the speaker converts it into sound. Circuit connection. Now let's look at the circuit connections. First, connect the Bluetooth module output pins, left, right, and ground, to the amplifier input. Then connect the amplifier output to the speakers. Provide a proper power supply to both the module and amplifier. And very important, always ensure correct polarity to avoid damage. Working principle. Now let's see how the system works step by step. The mobile sends audio signals via Bluetooth. The Bluetooth module receives these signals and converts them into electrical signals. Then the amplifier boosts the signal power. Finally, the speaker converts these electrical signals into sound waves that we can hear. Amplifier type used. In this project, we use a Class D amplifier. It has very high efficiency, around 90%. It produces very low heat compared to other amplifiers. And it is compact in size, making it perfect for portable devices. Advantages. Let's look at some advantages. Wireless connectivity makes it easy to use. Compact and portable design. High efficiency. User-friendly system. That's why Bluetooth amplifiers are widely used today. Applications. This system has many real-life applications such as Bluetooth speakers, home audio systems, car audio systems, portable sound systems. You can see this technology almost everywhere around you. So, this was all about the Bluetooth module amplifier. I hope you understood the concept clearly. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.